Bitcoin million-dollar price tags are back as the United States regional banking sector dices with crisis. Almost a year to the day that multiple banks, including crypto-focused Signature Bank, collapse. Its buyer is down 60% year to date. And what may end up a peculiar dose of deja vu, Bitcoiners are witnessing what some say is the early innings of a second U.S. banking crisis, coming close to the one-year anniversary of the initial turmoil. New York Community Bancorp has seen the value of its stock plummet 30% in just 5 days. Closing at 420 on February 6th per data from TradingView, the bank's performance is raising alarm, and the fact that it was NYCB that acquired the failed crypto bank Signature last year is not lost on Bitcoin circles. NYCB banked to its valuation from 1997. Benjamin Cowing, CEO and founder of crypto newsletter Into the Cryptoverse, noted in a reaction on X, formerly Twitter, the real question is, did the regional bank crisis ever really end? In roughly 1 month, the Fed's emergency loan program for regional banks will end, all while these banks hold in 70% of outstanding CRE debt. Follow us at Kobesi Letter for real-time analysis as this develops. In March 2023, Bitcoin saw flash volatility as regional banks began disintegrating, a domino effect, which eventually led the Federal Reserve to step in with the Bank Term Funding program. This is run for a year, but will not be renewed, something which Arthur Hayes, former CEO of crypto derivatives giant BitMEX, believes will provide the backdrop of a repeat performance at the time of BTC price action initially suffered amid the uncertainty before capitalizing on the situation. As CryptoMoon reported, Hayes sees a potential dip to $30,000 this March, followed by a copycat rebound. NYCB's losses, combined with ratings agency Moody's cutting its status to junk, has additionally led him to repeat a $1 million BTC price forecast. From junk to bankrupt, that's the future. And then more money printer, go purr. Part of an X post reads, as CryptoMoon continues to report, instability is not only affecting the U.S. this month. China's CSI 1000 index has lost $7 trillion since Q4 last year, dropping 8% in a single day on February 5th before rescue rumors whipsaw higher. Bitcoin, still fresh from the flux created by the launch of U.S. spot exchange-traded funds ETFs, has yet to demonstrate major price interest in these would-be macro-occurrence triggers. BTC USD has now remained in a clearly defined daily range for more than 150 days. Data from CryptoMoon Markets Pro confirms.